So, this is my life almost every day. And I've been getting a lot of questions like, how do I balance school and YouTube at the same time? The truth is, I don't know. In all honesty, I'm just an average student and I don't revolve my world purely on academics, but don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, I used to be that person. But then growing up, I knew I wanted something more, which led me to this platform. Now in this video, I let you guys see the realistic side of being a student vlogger that consists a lot of cramming, sleepless nights, and unglamorous tiring days. I let you guys see what's behind all of these.
Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to another vlog. So today, oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako habang nagsasalita ako ngayon. So today will be my first ever talk. And right now, I'm at the USC Senior High School, my home. But anyway, hi guys! Hi! Ayan mga Tiger Shoot people. And si Ate Kristen. Hi! We welcome our first guest, Miss Ashley Garcia. Hi guys!
We are actually celebrating and we have to congratulate Ashley Garcia for hitting 100,000 subscribers.
I can't even talk in front of a crowd. And I was so shy and timid and I got bullied because of that. So I came from USC Junior High School and I joined the Drama Guild. That really boosted my confidence because it was like my first time to express myself in front of a crowd and really act. And it was such a defining moment. Like, I felt like I can conquer the world because of that. I joined USC Tiger Radio, the only station where you hear the roar. I'm King Jock. Sobrang dami ng YouTubers. Nagpapakatotoo nga, pero bakit gano'n? Parang hindi ko nararamdaman. Pero hindi ako ganun ka-saya na parang kulang. Hindi kulang dahil sa views, kulang dahil feeling ko hindi tama yung ginagawa ko. Because the thing that interests me the most is fashion. So I tried it and yeah, it really worked. And ito rin naman na, everyday makeup routine, trendy naman to, bakit hindi siya nag-work sa akin? It's because people can see through you if you're genuine with what you're doing. The genre that worked for me was fashion. You can spend hours and hours or days editing, but if your thumbnail doesn't look appealing at all, because everyone is about visuals. So nakikita nila, di ba mag-scroll ka sa YouTube, oh, yeah, ay, ang ganda ng thumbnail, tapos pipindutin mo na. And admit it, we're all guilty that sometimes we don't even read the title. We just look at the photo like, ooh, mukhang high quality video niya. Kaya it's important to upload high quality thumbnails as well. Don't compare yourself and do not try too hard. A flower does not think of competing to the flower next to it. It just blossoms. Uy, mag-YouTube ka, ayoko, di ako mag-English, ganyan. But the truth is, iba-iba. As in, sobrang iba-iba. I'll give you guys an example. This one, nagtagalog ako. And sinabi niya, I prefer English, parang matuto kami hindi masyado marunong. Haha. Tapos, eto naman, nung nag-English na ako, sabi niya, more on Tagalog speaking naman. Honestly, sobrang daming ganyan na comments sa YouTube videos ko. Hindi ko na sila maintindihan. Ano gusto niyo? Mag-Tagalog ako, mag-English ako, or both? Diba? Parang, hindi mo talaga alam kung anong gusto ng mga tao. All you have to do is listen to yourself. What language are you comfortable in? Now, before I started my channel, I really prayed to God. And the moment I prayed, I told him that I hope he uses me as his instrument. And he did. I was so happy about it. Now, ito yung pinaka hindi ko in-expect, pero pinakamagandang nangyari sa YouTube ko so far. I make it a point to maintain a genuine relationship with my subscribers. Actually, I don't want to call them subscribers. I want to call them as my family. And I want them to treat me as their sister, someone they could open to anytime. And lastly, kabatch ko siya, hindi ko siya kilala. She was using this anonymous account. And then, she told me that she is suicidal. And she was on the verge of, like, maglayas na. Pero I told her that it will only make things worse. And all you have to do is just pray. Sabi niya, I was suicidal, but then I came across your YouTube channel. I was so happy because I used to read your blog. So, parang, alam niya yung ano ko, na parang dati nabully ako kasi sinasabi ko sa vlog ko dati. And parang na-motivate siya doon na parang, uy, I can do the same thing. I can still go on with my life and succeed. That's why, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na it's more than just money and fame because that purpose purpose on yours, it's something that you can hold on to forever, even if the world is toxic, even if the world is cruel. Media is created. This is something that I want you guys to remember. We form our idealistic life. We post our best version of ourselves, and aminin ko, I filter what I post online. I don't post my family problems, my problems in my relationship, my school. You know, that doesn't mean that I have a perfect life, that my family is always happy, that my relationship is always happy. That's why social media is curated, and you shouldn't feel like insecure. Uy, ang saya ng buhay niya. Don't ever feel insecure and feel the need to change yourself because of that. So I challenge you guys to jump out of your comfort zone and figure out what's for you out there. Now, this doesn't only apply sa mga gusto mag-start ng YouTube channel, but also kayo, SHS kayo. Siguro, aware naman na kayo sa mga possible mangyayari sa college. And I hope you're happy with the program that you will be taking, you will be pursuing. If it's something that your parents dictated you to pursue, your siblings, your tito, your tita, your lolo and lola, I hope that you fight for what you want. Because at the end of the day, ikaw yung magbubuhay sa sarili mo eh. Ikaw yung magtatrabaho. That's why it's important for you to stay true to yourself.
What would you want to say to yourself dati? High school ka pala or senior high, parang what do you want to tell yourself now sa dati mo sa iyo?
Siguro, 5 words. I am counting.
Very Miss Universe pala din. Pwede na silang makausap and ask the questions that you want to ask, whether it's about makeup, about...
Vlog po ni Ma'am Ashley Garcia, sir.
Ma'am? Hi Ashley, proud ako sa'yo.
Actually, I met you na rin nung sa YT Collab Day.
Ay, iba naman. Hindi ko napanood.
How was USC naman so far?
Oh, I love this. Always.
Yeah. Thank you. Finally, we're done. This is a first for both of us. So, yeah. How was it? Stressful. Sobrang satisfying. Pero sobrang satisfying and relieving sa feeling kasi yeah. Say hi to the vlog. Bye, madam! Oh my God! Guys, nasa TV na ako guys forever. Oh my God! Okay ko. Thank you to whoever made this.
Nag-make face ako dito sa...
Thank you, Tiger Shoes.
Every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it.
Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to another vlog. So today, as you guys seen a while ago, I came from school and now I am at Tagaytay for an event with Dove. With Max. Hi! Alexi! And of course, Ashley! The Ashleys! Hey guys! So dito na kami sa event. And I'm so shy. Oh my gosh, good thing I didn't wear the same dress because I was supposed to wear that. No, yeah, that's gonna be awkward. Buti na lang. Yeah, buti na lang. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm the youngest person in this room. And we'll take some photos later on. So I'll get back to you guys later.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark,
Finally guys! Guys, alam niyo ba, bago pa mag-start mag-vlog si Rai, I don't know why, we follow each other already. Yeah, like, sobrang random doon, parang like we do OOT. Yun yung sikat pa yung hashtag OOT. Ay, go yung bakit. Ayun, na-stress ako, galing akong school kanina, pero dapat... Galing ka pang school? Hello po! Guys. Ano tawag mo sa family? Unicorn family. Ikaw, alam ko yung sa'yo eh. Wait lang.
Wait lang, macaron. Hello,
Hi, Unicorn Fam. Finally. Lover OOTDs.
I know. Actually, parang
hindi tayo.
I'm with Hazelin. Finally. Guys, nanonood ang vlog niya.
Nanonood din ako.
Yeah, yung...
Pero sobrang aesthetic kasi ng vlogs niya, di ba?
Oh my God.
Yung retro lookbook niya. Nag-comment ako doon.
Ay, thank you.
College.
Pakiulit niya. Di ba gano'n? Pag gano'n yun eh.
So, the Ashleys are gonna make scrubs. We're gonna get food. Wait lang.
Yeah. This is Sarah. How is it?
Hi, Ashley. Just met.
Yeah.
We're friends now. How do you pronounce this? White house. Chamomile. Chamomile. Where is it? Thank you so much. Here.
What is it made of?
It's the herb itself. It's called chamomile.
Oil.
It's like aromatherapy.
Oh, I see. Hey guys! So, just an update. Dinner time na. Oo nga, no! Hindi namin ito pinag-usapan. So, dinner time na. Ano yan? Room reveal? Room tour? Ganito po ang room pag nagsama ang isang Hazel King at isang Rai Velasco. Uy, nangyay mo na! Ay, may bra! Grabe, ano masasabi ni Mami Heidi dito?
Let me explain.
Ano?
Pwede kasi kami late, so nagmamadali kami.
So, ayan po ang aftermath. Ayan.
Yung CR yung sa akin. Yung CR yung kayo na.
Puro makeup. Okay, so...
Nakabukas mo yung makeup ko. Ano yan? Ano hygienic?
ano bang type mo?
Ano ba?
Uy, napakita rin panty ko. Hindi ko inaalam.
Napakita rin panty natin. Uy, dali, huwag mong pag-antay niya. Magagalit si ano.
Si Sir Chief magagalit. Ako. Bye! Naiwan ko yung camera ko. Bye-bye! Bye, Hazel!
Ay, wait!
Thank you, guys! Bye!
Bye, Ashley!
Meron pa akong pasok tomorrow. Then may quiz pa ako.
Oh my God!
Yeah! Mag-aaral. No sleep. Team no sleep tayo ngayon. Hey guys! So, ganito po yung itsura ko sa school. As in, walang kaayos-ayos, nakasalamin and all. And nag-review ko ngayon kasi may quiz kami mamaya. I would like y'all to meet my bestie. Uy, ang bangad ko! Okay guys, I would like y'all to meet my bestie.
Neck cannot be found.
Lagi niya akong pinapatawa. As in, swear. Single ka ba? Single ka ba?
Ano ba? Ano po? Taken for granted.
Okay, tapos na po. Nakaka-cringe na po. Ayan na yung isa! Ayan na!
Ay, grabe!
Hoy! Asan yung isa dyan? Pilipina? Single po! Single!
Dalagang Pilipina yan, guys!
Oh my gosh, no way. As in, andito lang ako sa labas ng classroom kasi dito yung may signal. Tapos, as per usual, nag-check ako ng notification, ganyan. And then, may nag-tag sa akin na nasa preview ako. Oh my God! Feature ako sa isang article. Like, oh! Alam niyo ba, dati pangarap ko lang ma-feature sa ganito. So yeah, that's basically my life as a student vlogger. And you know what? It's a constant struggle, lalo na college ako ngayon. But I am grateful for everything that I have, for every blessing that God gave me. Like for example, yung mga kaibigan ko ngayon, you know, they make college lighter to some extent. But I'm also thankful for every consequence that I face for having too much on my plate because aminin ko sometimes it could get really overwhelming. But, you know, the purpose that I said dun sa talk ko really made me go on and made me want to do this for a long time. You know, you could be a student vlogger, leader, athlete, volunteer, a working student, or simply a student. I just want you guys to remember to also prioritize your mental health and also your happiness by taking breaks and not forgetting to have fun sometimes. If you reached this point, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. You know, without you watching this, I wouldn't be experiencing everything that I'm experiencing right now. So thank you so much for being part of this.